Ever wondered what's really happening on your network? What's lurking beneath the surface of your everyday browsing and communication? Welcome to another episode on HackTheMatric. Today, the spotlight is on Wireshark, a tool that's indispensable in the world of network analysis and security. Wireshark, at its core, is a network protocol analyzer. It's a tool that gives you the power to capture and interactively browse the traffic running on a computer network. It's akin to having a high-powered microscope that lets you see what's happening at the microscopic level of your network. To use Wireshark, you'll need to install it on your machine. It's compatible with a variety of operating systems, and its installation is a straightforward process. Once installed, you'll be ready to delve into the world of packets, protocols, and ports. The Wireshark interface might seem overwhelming at first, but fear not. It's designed to give you a wealth of information and control. From layout to components, Wireshark offers customization to enhance your user experience and make your network analysis as smooth as possible. Once you've got a handle on the interface, it's time to start capturing network traffic. Wireshark allows you to select the appropriate network interface, start and stop packet capture, and apply filters for specific data capture. It's a bit like a fishing expedition where you choose the right spot, cast your line, and wait for the fish, or in this case, the packets. Capturing data is just the first step. The real magic lies in analyzing the captured data. Wireshark provides ways to display packets, interpret different protocols, and identify potential security threats. It's like having your own personal detective, helping you piece together the clues and solve the mystery. Wireshark isn't just about the basics. It also offers advanced features that allow you to perform protocol-specific analysis, troubleshoot network issues, and decrypt encrypted traffic. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for network analysis. But that's not all. Wireshark also supports plugins and extensions, providing additional functionalities for your specific needs. It's a platform that grows with you, adapting to your requirements and offering solutions to your unique challenges. Security, as expected, is a paramount concern when dealing with network data. Wireshark provides mechanisms to ensure privacy and legal compliance during data capture, and offers best practices for secure analysis. It's your trusted partner in maintaining the integrity of your data. To illustrate the power of Wireshark, we've shared some real-world case studies. They highlight how Wireshark has been instrumental in identifying and resolving network issues and in analyzing security breaches. In summary, Wireshark is a powerful tool in the realm of network analysis and security. It offers a wealth of features and functionalities, from basic packet capture to advanced protocol analysis. It's your go-to resource for understanding what's happening on your network and securing it from potential threats. That's all for today's episode. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep securing your digital world.